Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Loren again. Today we're going to be going over a product review on this LG refrigerator. This is the Knock Knock refrigerator. This is the LFXS 26596S, and we'll put that in the description for you guys. I just want to go over the key features on this. This is their entry-level Knock Knock refrigerator for LG. So, what is Knock Knock? Let's go ahead. I'm just going to knock twice. It lights up the refrigerator one side of the door. So, benefits of this. If you have milk, orange juice, any type of beverage, you could actually see what's in there without having to open up the refrigerator to see how low it is, or if you need to get another bottle or whatever. You're able to knock twice. It's going to show you exactly what's in there. And then if you want to access that, you can just push the button, get to it right here. It's got the shelf behind it, so all that cold air doesn't escape. That's the benefit of that. It's kind of eco-friendly. You could grab something quick, milk, all that cold air doesn't escape. Orange juice, whatever it is, you could grab that. And if you want to stock it, if we open up the refrigerator, you can access this from the back too. So you just pull this guy open, you can access whatever you need to right there. Pretty sharp. But on the interior of the refrigerator, same thing we've seen from LG in the past, LED strip across the top. Their upper end models you could do, they have the LED strips on the sides. They got a lot other options as well. Spill protector shelves, really nice, really simple to clean up. Nice glass shelves, you can adjust these up a few levels, up and down. Glide and serve drawer. I've always liked LG's drawers. They're not really, they're plastic obviously, but they're not that cheap plastic. So they glide smooth, nice and easy, crisp. They're not like that old where you feel plastic on plastic, it kind of binds together. Pretty nice. Slim space ice maker. Some of the other manufacturers take up a lot of space with your ice makers. This is actually pretty thin compared to some of the other manufacturers that take up a lot of space in the corner. And actually this refrigerator does have your second ice maker down below here as well. So this one in the far back, it actually has a dual ice maker. So if you're having guests over, entertaining, you can actually access that ice from the back as well. And on the front of the fridge, LG's kind of redone their layout on their design. Instead of the dispenser right up front here, I have a refrigerator, I have an LG myself. When you grab the water, it used to be up front here, it's actually down in the back. So that was a customer complaint on their old models. This one they kind of reconfigured. Ice Plus, it cranks up your ice maker for how fast it's going to produce your ice for you. Smart Grid Wi-Fi, they'll actually talk to a technician, connect to Wi-Fi if you have an issue with the refrigerator. You got the Power Cool, Power Freeze, just like a lot of other LGs. But great refrigerator, guys. A lot of good consumer feedback on this one so far. Out of box, we have these starting at $16.99 at Appliance Factory as well. So really good deals and really good promotions we have going on. That's my product review, guys, and we'll see you next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.